Select your team on Trade Spot and start playing Apna game. Download the app now.
I will go with Rajasthan, surviving Jofra Archer's 3 overs. Hey, bhai, fantasy ke liye aa jao. So unbelievable. If Andre Russell plays in this kind of a match, I will go with Andre Russell.
All right, with that, let's shift gears to our very special segment, Pro Fantasy Tips from Boryara himself, brought to you by Clear Sport. Bring it on.
It's become as if this, robot, switch karo, fantasy bolo. henceforth, I will go to the Pada crossing and वो जो parrot लेके बैठ जाते थे वैसे बैठ जाएंगे. मैं भाई fantasy के लिए आ जाओ. So unbelievable. But one thing I'm actually doing today, and Pragyan and Rajarshi and all of you alluded to this about the second game. Second game, I'm actually not going with the toss. I'm actually saying whatever happens, Rajasthan Royals is the team to back. Because Ben Stokes and Archer, they don't depend on the dew. They don't depend on the... So, for example, if Australia plays Afghanistan or Australia plays whatever, will you... And there is dew. Will you back Australia? Will you back Afghanistan? Simple. So, I am actually, however much there can be dew, and however much KKR might have surprised Delhi Capitals, I think on current form, current momentum, Rajasthan Royals is way ahead. Again, I can be wrong. I can be very badly wrong. And why I'm saying this? Nitish Rana, Rahul Tripathi, in that top order, and if they send Dinesh Karthik at 4 or some inspired brainwave sends Rinku Singh at 4, doesn't survive Jofra Archer. Except the Shubman Gill, who is quality in terms of his technique and inability. I don't see that KKR top order, despite Nitish having scored those 250s, surviving Jofra Archer's 3 overs. That's why dew, no dew, don't care. I will go with Rajasthan. So let me give you that team first. Ben Stokes captain, Jofra Archer vice captain, Robin Uthappa, Steven Smith, Sanju Samson. The real call is between Joss Butler and one bowler. I have actually dropped Butler and gone with Karthik Tyagi. So that's 6. Number 7 is an interesting one. Check your points. I don't think you will have enough for Butler. Go with Rahul Tewatia or Shreyas Gopal. I will go with Gopal, give myself a bit of a bowling option because of wickets. So it's Jofra Archer, Karthik Tyagi and Shreyas Gopal. And then among Kolkata Knight Riders, Shubman Gill, Owen Morgan, Pat Cummins. And the last spot is a bit of a floater. Because if they send Sunil Narayan, see again that Andre Russell thing comes in, If Andre Russell plays in this kind of a match, I will go with Andre Russell. Because he's a freak. He is a freak. So I will put Andre Russell into the mix as that last floating jack in the pack thing. I will not go with Sunil Narayan because Sunil Narayan, they'll take 1 over of Jofra Archer to knock him off. Because it's predictable. Sunil Narayan is predictable. Short, body gone. Only in a rare day will Sunil Narayan fire. So that's my side. 7-4 Rajasthan. 4 Rajasthan top order. Butler floating. 3 Rajasthan bowlers with that 1 floater. Pat Cummins confirmed. Morgan confirmed. Gill confirmed. And the last one from Kolkata depends on Russell. If Russell plays, then Russell. Otherwise, it's a floater. And there Varun Chakravarti comes in for that last spot.
Very interesting. Rajashri, any changes to that?
No, for that, not too many actually. And since Boria has given such a brilliant layover again, but yes, I have Ben Stokes as my captain and Jofra Archer as my vice captain too. But I've gone with a 6-5. So yes, there's Smith, there's Archer, there's Gopal, Sanju Samson again. It's still a team in the making right up until the toss, and since the second match of the day. It's a little tricky, and Boria has alluded to that earlier as well, that, and he's repeatedly said, and it's obviously paid off for him and a lot of others who have subscribed to our channel and I'm watching it religiously, is that don't opt for the top 2. Boria, correct me if I'm wrong, right? That is what your tip always is, that don't go for the top 2 of the same team, given what has been happening. And obviously when you go to KKR, you don't want Shubman Gill and either Nitish Rana or Rahul Tripathi together. Shubman Gill certainly makes the cut that way from KKR. So I have Owen Morgan, Nitish Rana, and as of now I have Sunil Narayan. And Boria's point again is very well taken. If he says when he says that if Andre Russell plays, then he becomes an automatic swap. And I have Varun Chakravarti, Lockie Ferguson, and Pat Cummins from the Knight Riders, and hoping that Lockie Ferguson gets to bowl first up, because he's been the last couple of matches. He's bowled after the power play towards the end, which is not quite suited him. So you hope that
I think it's more got to do with the matchup. That's what my cricketing sense tells me. It's more got to do with the matchup. Now, most of the teams are doing matchup. So they are not giving the new ball to Ferguson, or there are a lot of people. You get surprised, when they come in a particular situation, like Jasprit Bumrah, he did not get the new ball. So this is all matchup. They want to try new things, and they want to depend on the they analyze the game, and they depend on analyze after. Sorry. They see if a particular player is not doing well against a particular bowler, or a particular batsman is not comfortable against somebody, so that's how they match it up. So that's how they go nowadays.